Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download notes, MCQs and app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website or app is especially designed for electrical engineering students. Now here is the question. Find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this network we have to determine its equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So solution. First of all we will take this circuit. Now here we can see this is basically a Wheatstone bridge. Now how this is a Wheatstone bridge? So here if we stretch this A on this side, so let's stretch this A on this side. So what will happen? This resistor will become like this, or let's use white color. So this resistor will become like this, and then this resistor will become like this, and this A will become like this. So this terminal, this resistance will be 2 ohm and also this resistance is 2 ohm. Now we can erase this part. So let's erase this one. Now here this is clearly a Wheatstone bridge. We can also stretch this B on this side like this. So now this is a Wheatstone bridge. Now we will check whether it is balanced or not. So to check whether it is balanced or not, let's say this is 1, or let's say this is, if this is terminal A and this is terminal B, so we can directly solve this 2 by 2. So we have to check LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So on LHS it will be 2 divided by 2. So it will be 2 divided by 2 is equal to, now this will be 2 divided by 2. So both are same, here also 1 and here also 1. So how you can remember this? How to take the ratio? So see, this middle line, let's say we have to assume that it is a equal. It is equal. So what we have to do, simply we have to divide 2 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. So this is how you can remember this. So here both are same, that means the bridge is balanced. So now what we can do, we can ignore this 2 ohm. So again let's copy this part. And now what we will do, we will ignore. Here we can write the bridge is balanced. The bridge is balanced. So therefore we can remove this 2 ohm resistor. So let's remove this 2 ohm resistor from here. Now here we can see this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm are connected in series. So here this will be 2 ohm plus 2 ohm. This will be simply 4 ohm. Now here this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm are connected in series. So this will be 4 ohm again. Now this 4 ohm and this 4 ohm are connected in parallel. So simply RAB is equal to 4 ohm parallel with 4 ohm, that is 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. It will be simply 2 ohm. So therefore RAB is equal to 2 ohm. So this is how we can solve these types of problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.